In a critical meeting? When your engineers are stuck in data chaos and decisions rely on inaccurate reports, guesswork replaces strategy. The risks are real. Presenting Rakuten SixthSense Data Observability, your AI-powered platform designed to enhance analytics and optimize your data operations. Ensure fresh, accurate, and actionable insights with our no-code tools that automate end-to-end monitoring across your entire data pipeline, from ingestion to analytics. Reduce issue detection and resolution times with our advanced anomaly detection and lineage tracing, ensuring operational downtimes are minimized. Improve strategic decision-making through real-time insights through the Data Health Dashboard, with its centralized view of data quality metrics across the organization. Experience Rakuten SixthSense Data Observability. Supercharge your business with data that delivers.